YouTube is saturated with countless videos advising on which cameras and gear are essential for aspiring filmmakers or content creators. However, amid this flood of information, one crucial aspect often gets overlooked: the simple question of enjoyment. For me, GoPro was a game changer. GoPro Test Footage 1. I first picked up a GoPro 8 in April of 2020. Initially just using it to film our dogs and daily life around the house. What struck me immediately was its unparalleled ease of use compared to any other camera I had handled before. With just a battery and an SD card, I was recording footage effortlessly, a revelation that initially felt too good to be true. As I continued experimenting with this new tool, I began to entertain the idea of turning it into a serious hobby. 4 years later, despite the continuous influx of newer action cameras onto the market, I've stuck faithfully to my tried and tested GoPros. They've become the foundation of my filmmaking journey. I vividly recall the first time I took my GoPro out to shoot. Adapting to its compact size, figuring out how to mount it on my helmet or handlebars, and learning to capture the fleeting moments around me. It was a journey of discovery. When I reviewed the footage from that first motorcycle ride later that day, I was astonished by what I saw and heard. Despite my lack of experience, the colors, the textures, the incredible stable shots amazed me. It was a moment of enlightenment, igniting a creative spark within me as I edited my first video. From that point on, I was hooked. The thrill of filming, coupled with the artistry of editing, inspired me daily to document my life in ways I never imagined possible. Before discovering GoPro, I struggled to find a creative outlet, doubting my abilities in traditional arts like drawing or painting. Becoming a filmmaker seemed improbable until this compact camera reshaped my perspective.
Hey Todd, what do you have?
GoPro 9.
Oh yeah, I see the screen.
Yeah. It wasn't the camera's technical specifications, accessories, or built-in technology that made me a better filmmaker. It was the sheer joy and excitement it brought me in capturing and editing images that I knew would exceed my expectations. While the choice of the tool undoubtedly matters, its technical ability pales in comparison to the passion it ignites. For me, GoPro isn't just a camera, it's a conduit for creativity and self-expression. Despite the allure of feature-rich alternatives, I remain steadfast in my preference for simplicity and reliability. I firmly believe that using a camera that excites you enhances creativity, enabling you to explore unconventional ideas and push creative boundaries. Just as some writers prefer pen and paper for their craft, I cherish my GoPro for its ability to capture emotion and authenticity in my videos. This camera has not only helped me to develop my own unique style, but has also enabled me to preserve invaluable moments and relationships in my life. More than anything, the joy of capturing these moments and sharing them with others is what drives me to continue in this hobby. So while this isn't a call for you to rush out and buy a GoPro, or any specific camera for that matter, my hope is that you will find your own tool, a medium that resonates with you and enhances your creative journey. Embrace the process, find your space, and indulge in the joy of creating. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.